Welcome to English Beginner Zone channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about ordering a burger combo. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about Toni. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. What size of French fries did Toni choose? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. It will help you improve your English skills. All right, let's start the video.
I am so hungry. This restaurant looks very clean and nice. I want a big burger.
Hello, welcome to Burger Palace. How can I help you today? Do you want to try our special?
Hi, can I have a burger combo, please? Everything on the menu looks so delicious here.
Of course. Which burger would you like? We have cheeseburgers, chicken burgers, or veggie burgers.
I would like a cheeseburger, please. Does it come with lettuce, tomato, and onions?
Yes, it has all the fresh vegetables. Would you like to make it a medium or large combo?
What is the difference between the medium and the large size? Is the large size very big?
The large combo comes with a big drink and extra large fries. It's perfect if you are very hungry.
I think I will take the large combo then. I did not eat breakfast this morning.
Great choice. Now, what would you like to drink with your cheeseburger combo?
Do you have orange juice or only soda? I prefer something healthy if possible.
We have orange juice, bottled water, and many types of soda. Which one do you want?
I will have a large orange juice, please. No ice in the juice, thank you.
No ice, noted. And for your side, do you want fries or a side salad?
I will take the extra large fries. I love the way you cook them here.
They are very crispy. Would you like any sauce with your fries, like ketchup or mustard?
Yes, please. Can I have 3 packets of ketchup? I really like ketchup with my fries.
Sure thing. Is there anything else you would like to add? Maybe a dessert? We have apple pie and chocolate chip cookies. They're fresh and very sweet.
No, thank you. The combo is enough for me today. Maybe next time.
No problem. Will that be for here or to go?
It is for here. I want to sit by the window and enjoy my meal.
Okay, your total is $12.50. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay with my credit card, or do you only accept cash here?
We accept both. Please insert your card into the machine when you are ready.
Okay, I'm inserting it now. The machine says it is processing.
Perfect. Payment is complete. Here is your receipt, and your number is 45.
Thank you. Should I wait here for my food or go to the table?
Please wait at the pickup area. We will call your number when it is ready.
All right, I will go there. It smells really good in here.
Number 45, your cheeseburger combo is ready for pickup.
That was very fast. Thank you for the great service today.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your cheeseburger and have a wonderful day.
You too. This burger looks amazing. I'm going to eat now. The fries are so hot and crispy. This was a good choice. The orange juice is cold and sweet. No ice makes it taste better. I should tell my friends about this place. They love burgers too. I am very full now. The large combo was a lot of food. I should clean up my table before I leave. It is the right thing to do. Where is the trash can? Ah, it is right over there by the door. I had a great time today. Learning English and eating is fun. Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest bus station is?
Yes, it's just outside. Turn left and you will see the bus stop.
Perfect. Thank you again. Have a nice afternoon.
Goodbye. See you again soon at Burger Palace.
What size of French fries did Toni choose? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills efficiently. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, like and join as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.